Don't be acting bad, because remember, he's right there. First thing we gotta do is come into Bath and Body Works. No way, sister. We could have been going here instead of Staten Island. Okay, so she put on a lipstick.
It was minty.
That ended up having like minty, like, yeah, and like she did not like it. You want to finish it or no?
I want to finish it later.
You gonna finish it later? You want to visit Santa?
Yeah. Why would I be back?
You know. What'd you say to Santa?
I said I wanted TikTok.
Yeah. Yeah, she likes it. Just one scoop. Cup. Yeah. No, no sprinkles. Thank you. Good. And I've been debating on going live on YouTube. This is why I don't, guys. Like, genuinely, can you imagine if I was live? And then she curses so much. But we're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory.
I'm just making my sister laugh because I know she's recording.
Yo.